Alright, so this video is to demonstrate the buzzing sound that my computer speakers are making. So I'm going to turn the switch on. So you hear that buzzing. And this is even though the speakers aren't even connected. So this buzzing sound is coming from the woofer, subwoofer unit of the speaker system. And I'm going to open it up and see if I can figure out why it's doing that. As I was unscrewing the back of the subwoofer cabinet to get inside and check it out, I thought I should at least check the power supply first to make sure that was good. Many devices are fine, but except for their power supplies, which go bad. So here is a test of the power supply. So testing the power supply, you can see that it's hardly putting out any power at all, and that seems to be the problem. I'll see if I can find another 12 volt I think it's 1 amp power supply, and replace the power supply and see if that fixes the problem. Okay, so I could not find a power supply that was 12 volts 1 amp. But I wanted to test the PC speakers to see if given a 12 volt power supply they would work properly. So I took one of my LiPo batteries, lithium polymer batteries, which is 3-cell and 1000 milliamps battery, which puts out roughly 12 volts, and connected it to the speaker system. And I connected the speaker system to my CD player. And just to show what happens, it's currently wired in, the switch is turned on, and I'm going to turn a CD player on to show you that the speakers work when given power. So, there you have it. It was a bad power supply. I ordered a new power supply on Amazon for $3.50. And that should take care of it.